Hi there, this is video 617. We're still working on standard forms of the equation, and the equations are a little bit more interesting on this one. So here we go. I've already written out my standard form up there. So A is equal to negative 0.5, and B is minus 2, and C is 3. So P is equal to minus B over 2A, always, always. P is equal to minus B, so gotta be careful, minus, and then the 2 from there, minus 2 over 2 times negative 0.5. So P, oh, there's so many negatives. Negative times a negative is a positive, so 2 over minus 1, so P is equal to minus 2. Now for our Q, we just need to take this and plug it in there. I don't know, should I write Q there? Nah, that's going to confuse me, and I think that's every other time I've just left it as a Y. We take our original equation, negative 0.5 x squared minus 2x plus 3, and we're going to put in minus 2 everywhere. So y is equal to negative 0.5 minus 2 squared minus 2 times minus 2 plus 3. Negative 0.5. Now careful, negative 2 times negative 2 be positive 4 plus 4 plus 3. So a negative 0.5 times 4, that's going to give me negative 2 plus 4 plus 3. So y is going to be about 5. If you see me looking over there, it's truth told, I've got the answer key. I had to reshoot this video because I made a stupid math error, and I don't want to do it a third time. So anyway, there's my confession for this video. There is the vertex, so minus 2 and 5. And I guess I did forget to take a look and go, yep, it's going to open downward, so it's going to something like that. Now the magic numbers, 1a, 3a, 5a, 1 times negative 0.5, 1 times negative 0.5. Well, that would be better if that was a 3. 3 times negative 0.5, negative 0.5, negative 1.5, negative 2.5. Just like that. All right. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Patience. There we go. Move this over. All right. Because when getting these ones to graph, it's a little bit of a pain. Theoretically, the value for A could be anything. This could be negative 1/10 or 1/100th or something like that. But there's no way I'm going to ask you guys to graph that. That's a little bit too tough. I mean, it'd be doable, but it'd be really hard to go down 1/100th or 2/100ths or something like that. I don't even want to think about that. I might have to think about it tonight. All right. So anyway, so 1 over, and we need to go half down. So let me see, it's about there. Oops, I missed my axis of symmetry. One over and a half down, and then I'm going to do 1 over, and I kind of cheat on this. I think in terms of I'm going a half, and then I go 1. So in total, that's 1.5 to there. And then I go over, and I go a half down, and I go 1 down. And I can even, because it's easy, 1 over, and then 2.5. So 1, 2.5. So over, down, 1, 2.5. All right, and there is our parabola. Connect the dots. Make a nice arch. Try to make the two sides symmetrical. If you're having a really bad day, I find it easier to curve this way. Sometimes if I'm having a bad day, I'll just turn the page around and so I make work for me. Just saying, those are some things that'll help you out. All right, so that one, we got one left. Oh, here's a tricky one. Okay, so what's A? I'm hoping you said 2, or I don't know, or we need to do something first. I really hope you didn't say 8, because the A is a number in front of X squared. But the key to remember here is all of this stuff works if your equation starts with y equals. If it doesn't start with that, the stuff isn't going to work. So first thing we actually need to do on this one is subtract. Camera back up. 8x and subtract 8x. So y is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. So I just moved it so that it followed the ax squared plus bx plus c. So now it's easy. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 8, and c is equal to 10. We need a vertex, minus b over 2a, minus, oh, gotta be careful. So negative makes it positive 8 over 4. So p is going to be 2. Doing a quick check to my answer key. The first, y is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. Y is equal to 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 10. Y is equal to 2 times 4 minus 8 times 2 would be about 16 plus 10. Y is equal to 2 times 4 is 8 minus 16 plus 10. Y is going to be 8 minus 16 is minus 8 plus 10. That should be about 2. Again, I was looking over at my answer key to make sure I had it right. Because on this one, I'll even just show you what I did. I multiplied 2 times 4, and I got 14 out of it. You can't see it. I went back and fixed it. But basically, I got 14. So math errors happen to the best of us. And that's okay. That's why it's important to show your work. Because if all I gave you was an answer key without, or I'm going to try again. If I was handing this in and all I gave you was the graph, okay, I don't know where the mistake is. And I don't know if it's because you don't know what you're doing or because you went 2 times 4 and you got 14 out of it. I have no idea how I did that. So always, 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 always please show your work. My vertex is 2 and 2. All right, so 2 and 2. There we go. Axis of symmetry. And I forgot to check this one opens up. Pardon me. And oh, we need our magic numbers. 1a, 3a, 5. 1 and times 2, 3 times 2, 5 times 2. 2, 6 is 10. All right, so 1 over and 2 up. 1, 2. 1 over and 2 up. 1, 2. All right, I'm going to try to improve my video skills. I'm going to look at the screen, not down, so that you're not seeing the top of my head, which you keep seeing. We'll see how long this lasts. I'm going to go 1 over and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To there. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to go 1 over and 1, 2, 3, 4, All right, so there's our staircase. And, nope, gotta look downstream, draw my curve. There we go. And there we go. So, not so bad. It's really just the one formula to remember to get the first part of your vertex to get your x. Then we plug it into this to get the y value. Magic numbers, draw your staircase, and away you go. Have a great day.